George's Story Time. Hello everyone, I'm George Buxton. Guess what? It's time for a little tiger tale. I'm going to read you the story of Smiley Shark and the Great Big Hiccup by Ruth Galloway. Now, when you've finished, well, I won't let you join in the reading, and I'm pretty sure that you'll have a great time still. Smiley Shark and the Great Big Hiccup. Far away, deep in the rolling ocean, the fish were all in a frenzy. Smiley Shark had disappeared. "Woohoo! Smiley Shark, where are you?" called Angelfish. The friends searched in the swirling seaweed and around the colourful coral, but they couldn't find him anywhere. At last Octopus spotted him, but poor Smiley Shark has lost his smile. "What's wrong, Smiley Shark?" asked Starfish. "I can't get rid of those annoying hiccups," Smiley Shark grumbled. "I know what to do," cried Angelfish. "When I have hiccups, I swim as fast as I can. That always makes them go." Whee! With a swoosh and a swoosh, Smiley Shark and Angelfish whisked off as fast as they could swim. But it didn't work. "Oh, please, Starfish, can you help me?" asked Smiley Shark. "Of course," smiled Starfish. "When I have hiccups, I do cartwheels, and that always makes them go." Whoa! With a swish and a swirl, they tumbled and twirled together across the sand. But that didn't work either. Smiley Shark was feeling very dizzy. Oh! And he still had the hiccups. "I have an idea," said Octopus. He slowly reached out with his twisty, tickly tentacles and tickled Smiley Shark on the tummy. Smiley Shark wriggled and giggled and jumped and jiggled, but it didn't stop his hiccups. "I know just what will work," cried Pufferfish. "When I have hiccups, I hold my breath for as long as I can, and that always makes them go." They both took a big gulp of water and counted 1, 2, 3. "Hooray! My hiccups are gone!" grinned Smiley Shark. "Thank you so much, Puff." Smiley Shark's hiccups were back, and they were worse than ever. His tummy jumped and bumped and swam and twirled. Poor Smiley Shark was getting very grumpy and grumbly. "I'll never get rid of us annoying hiccups," he wailed. "We need a better plan," Starfish suggested. The friends huddled together and whispered. Then Angel said with a smile, "Why don't you swim to the back of the big coral cave? You'll definitely find a cure for hiccups there." "Really?" cried Smiley Shark. Determined to try, he swam off, still hiccuping gently. Inside the cave, it was dark and rather lonely. Bravely, Smiley Shark waited and waited and waited. Boo! Ah! The scary surprise chased Smiley Shark's hiccups away. "Hooray!" he cheered. "Now we can all play together. Thank you, everyone," said Pufferfish. We hope you enjoyed the story of Smiley Shark and the Great Big Hiccup. But don't forget, there are lots of other little tiger tales to collect, and also to make you giggle, like Pigeon Poo, Dr. Duck, Fidgety Fish, My Monster Dumper Truck, Smiley Shark, the original, and Look Out Ladybird. Well, we hope you enjoyed the story, and hopefully we'll be back in the next couple of stories. So I'll see you soon, viewers. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.